gone, but he left you an Easter basket full of goodies. You go downstairs, see if you can find your basket.
Yeah.
This is Kinsley's, what, second Easter?
Third.
Third.
Yeah, Easter 2014. Aubrey's first, Kinsley's third.
Where do you think it is?
Yeah. What do you think it is? Somewhere?
He does a good job of hiding. Keep looking.
Where can we check?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check over here.
Daddy.
What's that?
Why don't you go look by the TV again? Go back where you were.
Yeah, put that back where you got it. Put that back where you got it.
Go look back there. See anything else?
I found it.
You found your basket?
Yeah.
Bring it out here.
Bring it out here so we can see what the Easter Bunny brought you. Wow, cool. What'd you get?
You dropped something.
Whoa! A necklace.
Bracelet. Put it on your wrist.
Thanks. What's this?
Those are Pop Rocks.
It's an egg with candy in it. Yeah, we'll try that candy later.
Okay. What's this? A microphone. Stickers.
Stickers. Yeah, do you like stickers?
I want to take it off.
Hey.
Is that a bunny sticker?
Let's pick up Easter. What's the Easter bunny?
He left. He just hid some stuff for you, and then he has to go to the other boys and girls' houses and give them presents. Easter baskets full of goodies. Can you show me what do you have in your hand?
I'm gonna have to charge this up. Only 2 minutes left. What's today the day you're giving her that?
No. I'm gonna open this, okay, Kinsley?
Ooh, it's a gun.